Most people don't lose their rights in a courtroom. They lose them in moments, on the street, at a desk, or on a piece of paper they didn't fully understand. Today, we're breaking down where everyday people unknowingly give up their legal protections and how to stop it. Hey, can I ask you a few questions? Sure, what's going on? This moment feels friendly, but legally, it's a turning point. You can always ask, am I being detained or am I free to go? If you're free to go, you can leave. If you're detained, you have the right to remain silent. Mind if I take a look in your bag? Consent changes everything. If you say yes, you may give up legal protections. Most people don't meet a judge because they miss a piece of paper. A citation is a ticket. A summons is an order to appear. A complaint starts a case. Ignore any of them, and the system moves forward without you. If you don't respond, the court may assume you chose not to defend yourself. One missed court date can turn a ticket into a warrant, a fine into a license suspension, and a delay into a new charge. You can often prevent this by calling the clerk, checking your case online, requesting a continuance in writing. Just sign here, and this will be over today. This is one of the most powerful moments in the system. When you plead guilty or sign a waiver, you may be giving up the right to a trial, the right to challenge evidence, the right to appeal. Courtrooms are formal by design. That formality can make people feel powerless. You're allowed to speak, but you must wait your turn. You're allowed to object, but you must say why. And what matters most is what gets entered into the record. Fines aren't just money. They can become conditions, and conditions can become violations. If you can't pay, you can ask for an ability to pay, hearing fee reductions, community service alternatives. Representing yourself is a right, but it's also a responsibility. Courts don't judge cases by fairness alone. They judge them by procedure. File on time, serve the other side, properly follow court formatting, stick to legal issues, not emotions. Evidence isn't automatically accepted. It has to follow rules. You can question how it was collected, whether it was altered, who handled it, whether it's reliable. Appeals and motions to reconsider exist for a reason, but they come with deadlines. Miss them, and the door closes. Access to justice isn't equal. Language barriers, money, technology, and transportation can decide outcomes before a judge ever speaks. This is why community legal education matters. You're not alone. There are tools: legal aid organizations, court self-help centers, law libraries, community legal clinics. The law is written in books, but rights are protected in moments. Every question you ask, every deadline you meet, and every paper you read helps close the gap between the law and your life. This concludes the Know Your Rights series. Share this knowledge. Teach your community. Stay informed.